How to turn off CarPlay screenshots on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and find the Screen Capture option, then tap on it. Here, you will find the CarPlay Screenshots feature. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature off. This action will successfully disable screenshots from being captured from your car's display, keeping your photo gallery neat and organized. You can repeat the same process again if you decide to turn it on again. Following these steps, you can easily turn off CarPlay screenshots on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.